Hey, welcome back. Darren and Shawn here again. We had a really good idea courtesy of Mike Trafton. He took a look at the 2104 and said, why not do a cold start video? Well, it's still bloody cold. It's currently minus 19, minus 25 Celsius with the wind chill.
Yep.
And Ivan has not been started in over 3 weeks. So Shawn, here with his cool hat and mech jacket, is going to try and start it up. Shawn, what's your strategy going to be? What are you going to do? Voodoo.
Give it 3 shots of gas, pull the choke out, start cranking. And if in the first 10 seconds it don't fire, we'll pump her some more fuel, crank, and continue until it eventually starts.
All right, let's get to that because this is bloody cold and I didn't bring gloves. Ultra prepared.
Man, the clutch feels light in this thing compared to the Mustang.
So, will it start? Place your bets below. Oh! There it goes. There it goes. We have exhaust.
Yep. Not bad for a carbureted car sitting 3 weeks, and yesterday was minus 34.
It was cold. Definitely cold. Look at that. So it runs, but will it drive?
The worst thing is this carb is still adjusted for warm weather.
Oh well.
So the choke, it doesn't quite give it enough throttle until it warms up a little bit.
Well, let's warm it up and we'll get back to you. Ha! It ran. Not so bad, right?
That's right.
So what do we do now?
We're going to let it warm up a little bit so that RPM won't hurt it. And we're going to back it out of this snowbank and have some fun. With it still covered in snow.
So, let's cut to that. Okay, so Ivan's had about 5 minutes or so to warm up. It's running without the choke.
Yep.
Shawn, you're going to go clean the snow off, right?
That's right. Well, we're going to attempt to.
Looks like it isn't coming off.
It's stuck on there pretty good.
Well, let's get the shovel.
Yep.
But hey, it started and we're good.
And it drove out of that mess.
Yeah.
With a bit of work.
Anyway, that was fun. Stay tuned. There'll be more to follow.
Yep. Later.
Later.